On today's body cam, we're checking out entitled Woman Takes a Simple Traffic Stop Way Too Far.
On April 4th, 2026, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after it was observed failing to stop at a stop sign.
Hey, hold on. This is a traffic stop. You're not free to go.
Hell, y'all just pulled me over and I'm parking.
No, doesn't matter. You put a stop sign back
there?
here. Okay? Let's take a step back by your car. Take a seat. You're out of the rain.
What, I'm arrested? Y'all arrested me?
No.
It's early in the morning.
Okay.
So what's up?
I just
I'm
told
trying to
you.
go in the house.
Okay. You can either take a seat in the car or just stand out in the rain. If you want to stand
How
out in
was
the
it
rain.
a traffic stop? Y'all was all the way down there.
Because you blew the stop sign right there.
What stop sign? It's
The one
caught
right
in a big old hole right there
No,
and I
the stop sign.
stopped.
Okay. You got your license and insurance on you?
I got everything on me, but
Okay.
what? I didn't blow no
I'm just
stop sign.
telling you right now. You did. The stop sign right there.
Sir, I didn't blow no stop sign.
Okay. Are you failing to identify yourself to me at this moment?
If you looking it up, can't y'all identify? I got everything.
Come on, she gonna blow this way out of proportion, man. Stop sign ticket is not a big deal. There's got to be more to the story. The reason why you giving these cops a hard time, man.
No, I need to see your license and insurance.
It's all in the house.
Okay. 1939.
1939.
Okay. What is your name?
Alexa.
First name is Alexa?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm on the damn stop sign. Nobody blew a stop sign. These big ass potholes. Y'all should have somebody.
Okay, when you turn onto Michigan City
Did
Road
you
right
see
here.
my back lights? Because you're in front of me. How are you going to see my black
Because
lights?
I was going westbound and I flipped around on you when you blew the stop sign.
Sir, so,
Where's your birthday?
April 15th.
April 5th.
Yep.
You see all those other cars stopping for that stop sign right there?
You ain't see him
You didn't.
just run it? Like, who finna run the stop sign at 8 o'clock in the morning, bro? Okay,
You.
write the ticket, let's go.
That's fine.
Do what you gotta do. Or arrest me. Do whatever you gotta
You
do.
got your insurance?
I got everything. Look that shit up. Y'all got
Prove
a
it.
big ass computer in there.
That's not how it works.
Some stop sign just for the judge to throw the case out. Do some petty ass shit. Y'all ain't got nothing else to do.
That's not.
Y'all ain't got shit else to do. Like, get the phone. Like, this shit is irritating. Y'all always with somebody living over here. Y'all don't got shit else to do.
2539.
You know what? And I can't even blame the civilian for thinking like that. These judges are way too lenient. Did you hear what she said? Yeah, come on, write the ticket just so the judge could throw it out. Judges ain't giving no time. No, well, obviously you ain't gonna give time for something like this, but you know, they throw things out. You know what I mean? No fines, no nothing. Like it's crazy. And then when there's more serious crimes or you have repeat offenders, probation. Like,
It's a female. Last
He talking about stop sign.
Middle Street Tom,
Y'all ass
4503.
petty as hell. Call y'all white shirts. This shit is annoying. I'm tired of y'all ass harassing you. Call somebody else.
No need to.
Yeah. Or write the ticket. What y'all standing here for?
Because you're making the situation
No,
more
y'all
difficult.
irritating this. Y'all always in my car. That shit irritating.
Hey,
It's a big ass hole right there.
okay. That doesn't mean you can blow a stop sign.
Like y'all going to
You're
it.
the one
I
raising your
live
voice
it. Like
out
y'all
here.
ass tweaking. Write my ticket.
Until I get more information.
I don't have to give you shit.
Yeah,
All you need
do.
is my license, insurance, and registration. You can
haven't
look
proved
that
it.
shit up.
No, we cannot.
Bro, I'm not getting no ticket for no reason. That
You're about to.
Just calm
Bro,
down.
no. He want my shit.
Yeah, you're required to provide it.
All you gotta do is just give us license insurance.
We're
ahead.
still gonna write a ticket. It don't matter.
Look me in my eyes. Look at me.
Therefore, hey, keep her still. That's her.
I gotta get it. Why are you grabbing me? I'm getting my shit. Why are you grabbing me? I'm getting my stuff.
Please don't under arrest.
Why you not doing that?
Absolutely not.
We tried to keep her down. You even tried to keep her down.
For no reason.
Calm down. It's her birthday. It's her birthday, sir. It's her birthday.
Listen, you should
Show your
have.
ID. They would have seen that. That's how you got to do. Show your ID, babe. They would have seen it was your birthday, babe. You gotta calm down, please, baby.
You still grabbing me. What's your name and your dad's number? O-L-I-C-A?
Okay, please.
No,
It's her birthday. I know.
Okay, let me get my stuff.
Young, she's like 25. I know. I'm 33. I know. That's how they do. You know.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to de-escalate. All you have to do is license insurance. That's it.
And she's perfect.
Exactly. That's what we're trying to,
No,
just
you're
make sure.
not. You just let him grab me.
I didn't let him
Yes,
grab
y'all
me.
did. That's
All right.
bogus as
All right.
hell.
Hey,
Let me finish
it's
my
part of the
shoe.
procedure, baby. Please, can you listen to me? Please, I'm begging you to
Y'all
listen.
call y'all white shirts because you're getting rolled up too.
Babe.
Damn, at least the boyfriend got some common sense. But you messing with a wild one, man. This one here, over blowing a stop sign, that's not, I mean, it's a big deal, but it's not a big deal. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? That's something, little ticket, $150 fine, call it a day. You know what I'm saying? Judge probably gonna, if you give the judge a sob story, he just gonna throw it out. Oh, I can't pay it because all right, no problem. You know, it's not a big deal. But the way you just blew that all up for no reason, walking away, you walking to the other side, they don't know where you walking to. You're on a traffic stop. You got to stay put.
Oh, please, can you help her? Because she's just frustrated right now. It's her birthday.
I understand.
It's over. Done deal.
All she had to do is just get the license and insurance. I understand you trying to de-escalate the situation, but we can't have her running all over the place. You know what I'm saying?
You weren't supposed to grab her like that, sir.
Uh-oh. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Okay, look.
Oh, man. He messing up.
You know,
Look, y'all is. I got everything.
Come on, man. He messing up. I was with bro on you know, but you done messed up, man. You ain't gotta grab her like that. No, she don't gotta walk away from the stop, from the traffic stop. That's what you should have said. I know. I'm gonna give him a break on that one. I'm gonna give him a pass. He meant to say, "Sir, I know she didn't mean to walk away from the traffic stop." That's what he meant to say.
Yes, y'all did. That's
All right,
bogus
all
as
right.
hell.
Hey,
Let me finish
it's
my
part
shoe.
of the procedure, baby. Please, can you listen to me? Please, I'm begging you to
Y'all
listen.
call y'all white shirts because you're getting rolled up too.
Babe. Oh, please, can you help her? Because she's just frustrated right now. It's her
I
birthday.
understand. All she had to do is just get the license and insurance. I understand you trying to de-escalate the situation, but we can't have her running all over the place. You know what I'm saying?
You weren't supposed to grab her like that, sir. Because he told, look.
Look.
Now
Talk to me.
talk to me. Okay, look.
Talk to him.
Y'all ass harassing me for no reason.
You know,
Look, y'all is. I got everything.
You're right.
I love the two officers. What's your name too?
It's on Pajelski.
Yeah. You're doing all that shit. He grabbed me. You seen that, right? That's illegal as yes, it is. You did not tell me to get. I had to give my sir. You told me to get my stuff. He grabbed me. How am I gonna get anything?
Stop.
No, he grabbed me. That's not fair. He grabbed me after you told
the
me.
way you are, and you're not listening to commands. That's what happens.
Sir, you told me to grab my stuff.
I didn't tell
Yes,
you
sir.
anything.
So y'all did not just tell me to get my license, insurance, and
You remember how many
registration.
times I asked you to, and you didn't provide it?
Sir, you told me to get it. I was getting it. He grabbed me. What am I in
I
handcuffs
told
for?
you to stop because you struck him. That's
Now,
why.
You see him grab me, and I was grabbing my stuff.
Take a seat.
No.
Okay. You want a resisting arrest
You
charge?
gonna beat me up some more? And hit me some more? Exactly. You're not supposed to do that.
Okay.
Call your right shirt, sir.
See them at the station.
No, I'm not going.
Okay. You're going to be charged with resisting
You're
arrest.
charging me for no reason. He hit me.
No.
He hit me. Yes, he did.
We are allowed to.
He grabbed my whole jacket. No.
Okay, you're going to be arrested for
Sir,
resisting
let
arrest.
me go. This is illegal.
It's not illegal.
Yes, it is. Look how y'all manhandling me. I'm sitting down.
Sit in the car.
Sir, don't pull me. Look how he stop pulling me like that.
Stop.
Look how he beat on me.
Nobody's
He
beating on
did
you.
it. Yes, he did. Stop pushing my foot.
Babe.
You don't have to do this to me.
Listen. All you have to do is just put your feet
Did
in
you
the
ask
car.
me to grab my stuff?
Just put your feet in the car.
Stop
No,
beating me
listen.
up, sir. Sir,
Just put your feet in the car.
I'm not going to jail for him hitting
Look,
me.
listen, we just trying to get information out of you. Just put your
You
feet in the car.
told me to get it.
I know.
It's not
I
fair.
know. Just
Sir.
put your feet in the car. Just hold on.
Okay, let me-
Just calm down
Can I
real
get
quick.
my stuff?
Yes, hold on.
She's good. She did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did. There's no misunderstanding. When she's given a lawful order to stop, Provide identification.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, guess what? There's no mistake. There's no excuse for that. She's.
Take me there, please.
That's not how it works. You came up, you tried to tell her to listen, she didn't want to listen. Whether it's her birthday or not, that don't matter. No, man, it doesn't. And then I told her to stop. Okay.
Who the hell is these random ass people?
Let me get her mama number so I can call her mama.
One second.
No, me, no harm. We just trying to get home, man. It's my birthday, y'all.
10-4.
Yeah, you're okay physically, right?
No, I'm not.
I'm not talking to you.
Y'all rude as
Hey, calm down. What's your mama number?
bitch. You tired? Opposite hit me. Over. Stop that.
Calm down, calm down. You're not calming down.
It's hot. Can y'all please turn the heat off?
Hey, she'll be heading to the station. She'll be out in a little bit.
Can y'all please turn the
Okay.
heat off?
Cal City.
I got asthma. I'm hot.
Couple hours.
I got you.
It's on the. She got it.
You couldn't go in there and
She didn't want to show it.
my stuff?
If you want to, it's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make a difference. But if you want to grab it, you can grab it. If she's okay with it.
Oh my God. This is so petty.
I'd rather you just keep the purse. Let's keep it.
Well, it's up to her.
You want your purse?
How am I gonna get him in there? Y'all got me in handcuffs for hitting an
Do it.
officer. He hit me. That is so petty.
He stopped you. That's what he did.
He grabbed me, sir. You're not
Okay.
supposed to harass a female. You're a male officer. That's in y'all jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction?
That's in y'all papers and everything.
Oh, by papers. Okay.
You don't care. That's wrong with you.
Hey, can he get your?
Let that man hit
Can
me
you
like
listen
that.
for a second?
You don't have kids?
Can you listen for a second? Can he get your keys?
How am I gonna get him anything I'm in handcuffs?
We can get it for him. Okay, we're not getting it.
Okay, just let me get it. My pocket and get
Do
it.
you got your keys on you?
I have everything on me.
All right, let me. I got it.
Hey, do it from this side.
Boy, they better think that the black officer there, man. Because the black officer, he's more lenient and he's more, like whatever. Like he's playing into the games. Where the other guys they not playing into the games. They asked you once, hey, let me get a key to your guy, whatever. She wanna play games. All right, forget it. We won't do it then. And then the black officer steps in,
This side, because she didn't want to try and get out last time.
Where your keys at? You need your purse or whatever. That's it. Your personal identification inside the purse? All right.
Well, the second she fails to identify herself,
he's still yapping?
He didn't understand that y'all told her.
Don't matter. I told her stop. We stopped him. Huh?
No way he's still
She
yapping.
made this choice.
I really have to go to jail for no reason.
It's not no reason.
I hit that man. I moved his arm off of my jacket. You guys have cameras on y'all body.
You're right.
Stop
So
lying.
you just admitted to.
I didn't admit to hitting an officer.
You
He
just
didn't even
did.
say I hit him.
The woman was charged with battery on law enforcement, obstructing identification, and multiple traffic violations. Let me know your thoughts.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.